Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. I have decided to collaborate with Super Clean. Super Clean is a company that prides in making heavy-duty cleaning products for everything that you need in home or in your vehicles and anything that it can apply to. So today this video is just pretty much showing you guys how you can use these products in your home and safely. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please give my channel a like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at sydneyjesson. This is my profile. But yeah, you guys have a great day and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna quickly kind of show you guys the difference. So this is the first one that I sprayed, and you can clearly tell because it's basically come off and you can see all the grime at the bottom. And I just want to show you guys this one. This is the last one that I sprayed, and it's just really cool to see the different stages that this product is doing. So I feel like it's dragging all the dirt and the crud down to the center and just letting it bubble and sit and disintegrate and break up in all this foam, which I think is amazing. I like to watch the foam, so that's why I use the foam one. But I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like underneath here as well, because I know it's absolutely disgusting. But I've been using the foaming one, like I said. I think I'm going to use the non-foaming one underneath just so I can see the difference and how they clean and how it works for me. But so far I'm really liking the foaming one. Alright guys, this is my stove cleaned. I am super happy. The underneath went great. I highly recommend these products. I will link every single one down below as best as I can, but I am super happy with how it's finished. And my oven is actually super shiny for once. I just finished the kitchen, or the stove, as you guys saw. I did not realize the time that it's after 7 o'clock. So tomorrow morning I'm going to come back and do some more cleaning because I have to get Athena to school tomorrow and I have to work tomorrow. So right after work, I'm gonna hurry home so that I can do some more cleaning, because I just don't have the time tonight to do it, because at night I don't like to clean. I like to sit down and relax and watch my programs, but I do know a lot of people like to clean at night, which is amazing. I just always make sure my sink is not full. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's the morning after, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys a realistic before and after. So this is my bathroom. Pretty messy, not gonna lie. But it could be worse, right? So this is what we're working with today. Total mess everywhere. So let's see this transformation. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed. My overall thoughts of Super Clean is yes, definitely get it. It is worth the money and it really means its name. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for stopping by if you're new, and thank you for returning if you are subscribed to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and please like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great week. Thank you.